kwaku for the timer project we ehyaase no omo ekoje bosia na omo ede yesa adwuma no sa sika no omo kokoje no sika no ma dia manasa ekwan no susu a omo enyenwe emene wono na eka nani akwa bosia be 78 million Ghana cedis ede aba ansa na se contractors no ebetimi awie adwuma no a omo etimi awie adwuma mo be ka hyere nso a emra president John Dramani Mahama ba foforo no na contractors na sese omo niema e de free eye ekwan no so e de oba foforo ne na chese omo wo so a but a week or two a month bi ene hu se omo free kwan no so eye se e ka wo hono ma o sa ban ne etua e de ma wo mo e ma adawafo bi kra tretene se ya na ban ne be ya sa kwan no enya de ombe yeso adwuma bioma GPRT for ene ada transport unions de bi yetete se no mo kra no ekeka omo so mbe demonstration de etia ban na ban e pesika de ma contractors na omo sa kọ kwan so asese omo yeso adwuma yentie president John Dramani Mahama nsamo a enra wode tudwa e kwan so
arterial road in the country because it connects the two biggest cities in Ghana. And so any challenges with this contract affect a huge number of commuters because of the heavy traffic that passes through here. And so we were quite concerned about the complaints that were coming from the traveling public. And so we are happy to see that the traffic is flowing. But what I say to contractors is, yes, we know you have work to do, but one of your duties too is site management, to make sure that your work does not impede the flow of traffic. So you must make adequate arrangements so that even while you're working, you are creating the conditions for traffic to flow. I can understand what happened. A loan was taken for this project, and I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over, and that we're having to come and pay supplementary almost 78 million from government of Ghana funds. So that's something that we need to find out what really happened. How come the loan that was taken was not enough? Was it that the estimate for the project was not done properly, or what happened? But I can see that drivers are happy now, and I hope that from now till when you finish the project, you maintain a smooth flow of traffic even as you're working, so that you don't impede the flow of traffic. So we'll hold you to your word. You say by end of second quarter next year, you should be finished. Okay, so after the exhaustion of the current payment that has been made.
Observant way a president John Dramani Mahama yete kan ni nyina aproba okokoboye ewo project site wono mo enra nsawam ofanko kwantempo no so eno no na chief justice say ye na free honom no former chief justice shenu nkran je say watcheche ne re so nka na come to the yam nyame ebekono ko amano
that he should take heart that God sees. And sometimes when you go through certain things which you think have brought you to the end or to your knees or something like that, that could be far from the truth. And there could be bigger, better and greater things that the Lord has in store for her. That is what I will tell her, and that is what I'm going to send to her as a text message. Because when you're a believer, things happening today, they've happened. So you look to God and you move on, and you allow God to manage the rest.
Jose, onfa bibia ma Awurade na Awurade be konoko de amano na onimso yobia chese ojine dwumadi ji osaso gidifo so ti obesene ne test wase ne nkran se onfa ma Awurade na ma mi wo onfa ma Awurade sabri ojine iko ascot no David on for me rade sa nti oguso ko rade o meko so nti heno no NPP so e demande say enene kire ya Chief Sofo Azoka any a branch friend say Abdul Wahab Amadu or see a chill mo mobeka ya akwati aba election year course yi NPP mine no the second vice chairman oh buga or first vice sir okay say ayi ni ho debi MPP ni na meka ayi ono a third vice kra ama Saud say bia waba second buga enti woye interview say ya enda eja ayi Azoka ene ne boys to ano so wo ya akwala Azoka kra de o se chese on de ono no wote wo nyina no ni biase obaye de chese ntokwa de na nije ho da sori odwene ntokwa okoda kra ntokwa no odwene ho osori anopa na ntokwa to no no o wote chese wodi nom edware se e de ye bibia don de ono ntokwa de eye na duane a iti obeto no saa so ye interview cheche nsembu no na je se ne no start ye nsabde de bebribi kike bi kire no a de your mother sem nyina ma no cheze nsam de bebribi ntia no na santokwa we ye course no anama MPP for a demanded the immediate arrest of a year Chief Sofo Azoka na ne di ne ya na me avoka o ana Azoka one ne boys no okay na emro moko ayi no ayi ablekuma no Azoka wa anko bi ho sa as a hold the man shede hu ni sa
an attention wasn't answer then they as control
no ho kakrenti I had no decided so then the boys no eba be display
a minority leader call NDC office or ama the boys bi akote poster bi wo ho enu we nyina ni
enti obeto no a
okay election
ye be by election wo ayi afutu rade edio asante eja ye mbobo so kakrakra ye mbobo so kakra
no ma mesufu ya kufu me bona baso the time me bona baso ni say under MPP and for that man time of free adwaso cry chief justice
she has been consistent
adwene wo kire na adwen wo niam aye koso
kasi su say ne wo fa ase di president
enkra no
wo say ne wo fa ase ne mampani dada Nana Danko Akufo Addo
kire na adwene
oni ni free eja fem by nyena omo bloodline no oni ni free paternal eja fem so oni ni papa eni free eye abusia krom ba ni nyina okeka na adwene kire president Akufo Addo
kire na adwene Nana Addo we mampanyi we chief justice we ndumedie yie e kire na adwene ema empo any by ye cry chief council of state ye pe former chief justices no one omo ayi no man ko council of state ho ema wasa koso chena dwene wo mu na ye state men and as state women because one cannot ntum because of say bia we to so na say we to so and this issue by no yeah so obi ebia we MPP former MPP appointee bi no comment ya we know say because of say bia a political persuasion somewhere no man na ma mi Sofo Akufu no mo heli no and omo heli no ene omo heli ni but omo na start no mo omo sopa no sep kan sem fa no say no they would rather hail the woman the former chief justice ma no ya de wa kire say asem hana obeka and democracy no we can no tumpe o man e be say ade bia koso bia anya bia ogi say eno adwen say bia no brabeka na Ghana fo hu say no adwen tie dan say ye be azumi say enka say no obeka na say nyese na enko beka ya me de meni na ya adwen de wo kan ye bia the so far say wonya okoduro ababontra be cha na adwen kware na ya adwen na ofanko kwanin nsem no Meridi honorable Asenso Boache so former road minister mewa won so anu din say ode tuja no wo kire say contract no the mampanyi kan omo handi obi a bibia ma the previous administration the administration during the transition era now emergency ne nyina ma ntino the mampanyi kan no ase wo ya adistort wo de no kra no wo frame kakra megidi say no matter what mampanyi mama say na contract no omo wa this best federal 78 million Ghana cedi na e be ye kwa no contract no omo ye variation na say bia omo ye ko animu say bia eka bi wo ha o say e bia be ka ho na say omo ye some changes bi o road architect ni mu na say whatever na say na ma we nyina mra e na contract so there sometimes omo tim di ma e wo ma na omo tim say bia with regards to the various economic situation and condition omo timi adjust no further na say downwards and you know where they should reconcile figures and then try to make things work amicably because I'm a continuous process. Yeah, I mean before I say one can far.
As I so say before so we call a azoka there. Na sense so say. Sa loan no mo here for this project no. Enye loan say ye loan we specifically for this project. A project be nyansa ene 9 no mo koje ho bosia. Be 200 and something million dollars. Ano mo de be sa project no. Na saa sika no mo kokoje no is it a 750 Afrexim facility or says sika no mo kokoje no e bia friend say and so one ne ewum there were other project ewum e bi ne to say so fly interchange adwuma ya ekosu loan no mo kokoje ne ye part of it so ntie de be ya dru baby ak ebeka no ne ya ban na ayeye me nya asem ne nkama me ne honorable Francis Asenso Boachi ni nkomo ewo ahoma so emra sisi a honorable good morning. Honorable good morning.
Good morning. Now whom to say
Erade adome ho ye na so
adom na me ho ye pa
ye de erade ase anopa ye di nkomo kakra about President John Dramani Mahama na proba wode call in Sompa of Anko Kwantempo no so ne nsemu a wode atugya se loan amokokogye ye no modi sika ni nyina kwan no so a mo anwie sese ono na ase otietia kwakọ sika o baabi e de abre contractors no ama mo de ate wo mo nsa firi adwuma no ho adenti na ekoba saa honorable
yo the dikan ma me fa nchiama wotiefo nyina ni chichu ye bantma constituency for ye omadom tina ne me wo mrase bedwani fi a me di adwuma ma bantma for santeman ene Ghana amanyina the crimes and omapanyini koye inspection wo ofanko is a one road project ye na Akufo Addo aban estati sa project ye project a project kese Yaw Boamah yenia free asantemam bonomam sehwimam esim a ekodi djuma won kran na e ba se ye ba ye krom a e be na ye easy amaye ye ni traffic bebre na afra na Akufo Addo aban free so na project no na ye wie 68% of the project. Now project meaning the cost of the entire project is $346.4 million. Now Akufo Addo buying the facility be Afrexim Bank $200 million to support the financing of that project. So the entire cost of the project is 346.4. But the loan is 200. And the balance of 146.4 no. And she say it's a government of Ghana budgetary allocations. Taxes are no. Budget no. And no and ye use the free government of Ghana or they are support the financing and the completion of the projects. In the Afrexim Bank's loan now, it wasn't meant it wasn't enough to complete the project. Just a support. And you know, says Sikana San. Abaya said the financing arrangement in the city. As I said, you use carry free Abaya foot room, edition. Now, Abra and Akufo Addo aban free hono. Now, ye project no ye 68%. Senka. From January na ka aban egu su tua ya ka by this time no enka project no enka ye wie kura. And so no this year nyina no aban ye se contractors nyina mu ntu omuka. Now, I went to a mukano na ma contractor no a free site. And my Juma would dinina no na fe. I say, as I call a nuisance. A mark community no, yenya you use our road no. Take a found is so be brave by. In the amount for ye, the demonstration no, and son are buying a mark contractor Nisika. That was somewhere in July.
Sompa FM.
And I buy a mark contractor Nisika Kakra and I contract and call site. It's President Mama Kwai no Koka say Sikana ye kwaji loan no say de project no. Ye di nyina asa. Into no na be pesika foforo e de abehwe project ni. Ah necessary entwa ye say sin come panyin kasa because yes and it's here. No in same training no. The president created the impression say yakwaji sika ye disika ni nyina so project ni use. And again and yes and it's here. It was just to support the financing part of it, and the rest, no, and they start buying food no use the free with it. It's now president the question no say what the project na ko big push, you know, no anya de ni kwase ngo kasasa. And no answer obeka say loan na wi nti dia kan na government of Ghana partners here. No I buy it. And that's the arrangement I Inti another man me bow to big church him saying yes sanity. Na sa say me finance minister aka ho asempin ama me bow out the tree. Road minister kan ho asem me bow out the tree. Inti you know I that say deliberate you know person omo pekwan bi so no mo they say na na kufu ado aban no edin. Oh say the be ya omo susu anim be konyama ye wi ase ye ntrani sa. So I say, yes, Obi ya dia no abona baso. Adwuma project ye start here. Any obi no wadi hu sika. So,
honorable Pacho yenye ni say. Nti na just say project ni nyina osena ne bo ne about say 300 and say
$46.4 million.
$346.6 million.
Yes.
And President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Sabene koje be $200 million. E be shase meboa.
Exactly.
Enti say the aka achire no yankasa Ghana fo ne Ghana ban ena nanke e be pe contractor na ye adwuma no na ye de asoso ama no meboa.
That is it.
Na momo free so no na ma ye over 58%.
68%.
Okay, enti say almost sika no amokokoji yesa mode shase no na say na me kan say na contractor ne ya spend ya wi ana.
Sanity. And it's say aban de aka no source man no the complete. Na this year nyina no na enye sa contractors all that contractors o me so muntu bia sika. Into my project no support just like many other projects are never possible Ghana.
Na honorable mama musa we mu free abem anase u free abem as road minister na wo kona definitely obi ba be hye wanan no modern krata modi bibi eto honom a san chechiremu we nyina oye wom e de to honom se bia aban na oba no oba beto
nyina wo having over knows for her nyina obi pa nyina having over knows if a cry
Enti ohun say President John Dramani Mahama e de ye politics kakra dia score political point on. Oh. Honorable Oho. Hello. Ne menfa ne senche chiremu a honorable de be mo de amaya anesa. Tu de ma menfa ne nsia. Ma menfa no ensia se. Enfa ne se enchichiremu o so de ma ye nyina no. O de amaya. Yeda na se Honorable Francis Asenso Boache former road minister osaso eye bantma mrasibedwani ena yete ne nka no nyina eye ofanko eyi ekwan no mpacho mo mfre kuku ama kuku a check ma me na aso ntime nka ka me busa no so fulai eyi so am interchange de no last one nka o de mpacho check ne ma me ye musa ne say eyi so fulai interchange e be so fulai so am interchange no ya ma so fulai interchange wo ma no ye say o ma close so fulai interchange ne down
innovation
omo ye renovation me be hwese e benya engineer ne na di nkomo na list
na nu ye kwan
mo na de no kre yenwie mo ona bon pa chawo ho Sompa. Hello honorable hwese ne ka me busa ne se sa arrangement na bina so am interchange no omo ye ya na sika omudi ka kokoje ye no na ye se ye de boss ye ne ye de aye adwuma no ne duru ba bi aga na fo ankasa ye de taxes etuatua de aka no no na ma so fly interchange so anwe ne sisi wo no
so am die so omo do munya ayi wo na me ba
omo gusu ye se bi a loan na ye koje ye ne nyansan ti no gusu o ye no what I say sa ene be kwa eno bi na ye so fly interchange no aso fly interchange di be 20 years si wono ma yenwie na nye na kika ko 20 years edisi hono mo ade a yenwie se kwa europe yenwie yo ade ni yenwie
na nipa na wo ye kwa yenwie ene na ti se
asante
tu gusu ye nje we ni kwa se obaka che
no yes we bie mo nam so mo sa di besine to afa so 80 years we say 70 years 50 years okay honorable pacho me samu akwa babiem mo honorable na me bisa o say we dey away from ensawam of anko kwan no wa cheche mu ya to wase pa ba na me bebusa say sa arrangement we ya ucheche mu de kire ni the same thing ana so am interchange so mo ye ya na se mo koje ebia busia kakra se mo de ye adwuma no na contractor ne ko nanim no na Ghana taxes ne ade amajeche no mo de etuatua ama ne de awie sa na so am interchange so esiti ana
so am interchange project no and not so nya financing in fact at a point Frano, sir, affairs them facility a koji. Sompa affairs the koji, sika 750. And at a point, the some part of the 750 no so no eba the friend say so I'm interchanging and now some partners so government are financing. Now you see. When it comes to projects, financing, any project implementation, especially roads now. And you say, in you say, "Bia sikano, ego, and I did you." A buying a year a jumano, na ye to your taxes no. The crack. The tia, the yamma, sometimes they be an contract and so release certificate. Then I need an so it is the responsibility of the government of the day to find money and pay all these contractors. So I'm interchange. We got facility for to support it, and part of it is also government of Ghana. I can give you, if you had told me, I'll give you the breakdown for the Swami interchange financing. You know, and yes, ya ko ji sika se fan ko project no bi edi so mu fi se bibi se akoso a omo aban mu nka nyoma ko mbe ye ho no nka nya asem ketewa but enkesa so what you say
okay enti honorable yamfa ne se swami interchange no na guess about be mahu se esemoje be 750 million afriexim facility bi honorable ko honorable ko asante Enfanto so when enough honorable Francis Asenso Boacheka ho asem about ofanko ne other rules a omokoje bosia no so hunti bosia no koyesa se ye de hyase
enti ya ohwe
ne ye koye nim no
figures na de na ye hwe ba road kakram ne nsoro nko first one ye ofanko to nsawom no say
o say project ni nyina ya about 340 something million dollars and omokoji 200 million dollars e de ma omo so omo fan hyase enya adwuma no omo ko omanim no de aka eche na ban no a bejeje taxes e de aye e na oba ejoso konongu road
e ho na ejoso konongu
75
omo ye hen
ejoso konongu road e na bypass no mu yato akire no kro mu yato kro na chi no yes omu yato kro na chi no e free konongo echi so but a start free animu kakra nya konongo and start free konongo kro no mu a start free animu kakra
ka se animu na ufree he kwana se
ufree kumase ekono a start animu kakra na akwakosi ekire
okay
so nti se ne wo ko bia enyinam ehonom no then no about the completion of nsawam
apedwa
ade baby e boy de medem hu
ya apedwa na
apedwa yes apedwa road
nsawam to apedwa
so yes and also mu ya to akire
okay and next one here then ya
so construction of the flower pot you say meninye so I mean interchange and local rules and also say 47 million
mama unim so I mean interchange no important thing omo wa kwan bi omo ye bi no omo ye wo to
no potem yes
asha ho ne you know omo ye so that main road there will be less pressure
yes and so mugusu omo ye now say completion of flower pot interchange Legon Accra the flower pot there be part be on mo also moye and a completion of the Sofla interchange on the home
completion
of Sofla interchange you know a chain a make kwakoti so so moye be kwa run about to Santas run about double some project in ka ho
eno so yes
eno ne $35 million
e de be yes
ansa no mo be kwa run about interchange ketwa so hu ndo say efri eye suntra so de kosi baby a prisons quarters no no omo gusu aye ne kama but mfimfin o kakra de ba runabout no so no omo jai e na efri the other side ne so e de ko your friend say Santas runabout on so no omo start wo baby e no omo jai baby ye me kote ne say e ho no nyina be ye interchange so hu na sa double road no from the runabout to your friend say Santas runabout no abeshe Sofla interchange project ni mu nti sa abo ni nyina aka ho nti aden de e kwan na yesi asai no mo repair no omo close ni down na santie ehu interchange no e na etutu sa no
iron rods na ne say that way
ehu asante ehu
no de nyame na do yen
ye na ye ho na sports team nemra ye be sa ba na ya ba beto aso sisia